right, while your paint is drying, we will get our background ready. So you need your big white piece of cardstock and put it into portrait mode, up and down like this. And to start, we are going to go to the top of our page, find the middle, and then go either to the right side or to the left side. You decide. I think I'm gonna go here, just a little bit off from the middle. And then you're just gonna draw a line straight down, but not all the way. You'll stop partway down. Okay, about like that. Doesn't have to be exactly like mine. You can go a little bit farther or you can stop a little bit higher, that's fine. Next, we're gonna go from where you stopped and do a slanted diagonal line out to this edge. Okay, and then repeat going the other way. All right, so you might be able to see that we just drew a corner for our fishbowl to sit in. So we've got two walls that are meeting in the corner and a floor. Okay, your job now is to fill up each of these three spaces with three different bright patterns, okay? Remember, Matisse really loved traveling to Morocco, and in Morocco they have really bright colors and lots of patterns. Sometimes the floors are made out of really bright, pretty tiles. Lots of different paintings and wallpaper on the walls. So I want you to design 2 walls and 1 floor, and they should all three be different, and fill up all the spaces with color. Okay, really take your time with it and get some cool patterns in there.